Hello friends, here Akhil Srivastav teaching you maths of class 9th number system. So today we will here I will teach you operation on real numbers. Operation on real number, that is rational and irrational, plus, minus, multiply and divide are called the operations. These are called. So if the irrational numbers when you add, then you will get rational number. Root 2 and minus root 2 when you add, you will get a 0 because it is a rational. One irrational number divided by another irrational number, your result will be 1, it is a rational number. Two irrational number multiply, your result is 7, which is the rational. Two irrational number when you subtract, then you will get the rational 0. So these are the some examples I have shown you for getting the result. Now you will see a result I have told you in the previous. Pi. Pi is a irrational number. When pi irrational number is added or subtracted with the rational 2, then decimal value of pi is 3.14. 3.14 is not only alone, it is approx value 3.14 dot dot, it is a trillion times, unlimited times, infinite times you can write, minus 2. So it is only after these three dots are there which indicate that it is infinite time, 3 plus 2. But here minus sign, so 3 minus 2, 1.14 dot 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 indicate that it is again irrational. One another example is given, 7 root 5. 7 root 5. So root 5 is 2.236 when you will solve like a class 8th standard square root of 5. 5.0000 after decimal pair. So 2 2s are 4 and then 1 2 will be added here. 4 5 minus 4 1. Here decimal, after decimal not single, 0 00 will come. So 100 is here. So 4 and 2 will be here. 42. 42 2s are 84. You are getting 2.2. Like this you will get the 3, 6 up to so on. So it is a irrational number, multiply by 7, your result will be again irrational. Here one more example, root 2 plus 21. Root 2 plus 21. Root 2 plus 21 is, root 2 is 1.4142 dot dot dot. It is again by like this method, 8th standard. 21 plus 1, 22 point is again irrational. Here now you add, if it is not in decimal, directly to irrational number you are adding. It is a 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Root 5 and root 5 is a like surds. So they have the same root and same number, so it acts as a x. So 3x plus 4x will be 7x. Simply in algebra you know. Here 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will be 3 plus 4, 7 root 5. Your answer is 7 root 5. Another example you will see, when you take, add 3 root 5 plus 2 root 3 and 4 root 5 plus 5 root 3, then your answer, you will AND sign and add is given, so plus sign in between and you write in the bracket both the numbers. Then open the bracket, your result is this, 3 root 5, 2 root 3 plus, and then when you open the bracket, then there is a number which has the same root numbers, root 5, you write together. 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will be 4 plus 3, 7 root 5. 4 minus 5, here 4 minus 5 is not there. Now 2 root 3 and 5 root 3 together, 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. Minus 3, but root 3 will be as it is like x. It is like surds. What is called it is? It is called surds in some books. So you will get 7 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Both have the different value under the root. That's why it can't be added. Both are irrational number, but you can't add it. You don't write 7 plus minus 3 or root 5 minus 3. No. It is a different and it is a different. As it is your final answer. Now you will see another example. Multiply the two irrational number. 3 Rational multiply by rational, you will get 3 2 the 6. Irrational will be multiplied by irrational, your result is 5 3 the 15 in the same under root. So 6 under root 15, because root 15 is not a perfect square, so it is your final answer. You can't change it. Here you will get, here is a unlike and it is a like shirts. Like and unlike, there are two type of shirts. One like shirts are when both are same value. Under the root there is a same radical. It is a radical sign. There is a 5 and 5. Then it is a like. If there is a 3 and 5, then it is a unlike. And it 2 is its coefficient. Here 2 is its coefficient. So like shirts will be multiplied. So 3 and 4 like previous. 3 4 is 12. Root 5 and root 5 will give you root 5 square, or you can write under root 5 into 5. 25. Square root of 25 will be 5. So 12 5 is 60, which is a rational number. Two irrational number getting you rational. Previously you are getting two irrational number, you are adding, you are getting the irrational. Two irrational number you are multiplying, you are getting a irrational. Here you are multiplying two irrational number, getting a rational. One more example, when you divide 8 root 3 divide by 4 root 3. 8 root 3 upon 4 root 3, 4 to the 8, root 3 and root 3 like shirts will be simplified. Your answer is 2. It is again rational. Another example in the division, if the roots are not like shirts are not there, so 7 by 2, 7 root 15 divided by 2 root 5. 7 root 15 upon 2 root 5 will be 7 by 2, and this will be in the same root. And then 15 upon 5, 5 3 is 15, you will get 7 by 2 root 3. Next you will get another very important result. With the help of this you are getting, when any two number, one is rational and one is, three results you are getting. One is rational and one is irrational. You will add or you will subtract, plus or minus, then their result will be always irrational. If two number you are adding and subtracting, one is rational and one is irrational, then you get the irrational. If you two numbers you are multiplying or dividing, one is non-zero rational, another is irrational, then your result will be again irrational. Okay, non-zero rational into irrational will be always irrational. But a third one you are getting, two numbers you are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing, but these two numbers are only irrational. It is not, and one is rational, one is irrational. If it is irrational, then their result will be not the same. It may be rational or it may be irrational. Both the options are there. Any one will be the result that you have seen in the previous example. Here you have seen both are irrational. So here you are getting irrational, here rational, here rational, here irrational, like this. Now this, any number if you take root 3 as a, suppose root 3 is equal to a. The square of this will be like this, root 3 square, root a square, you will get a square is equal to, this sign, under root sign gives you, it is a square root sign. A is equal to a power half. So square root of 3 will be 3 power half, and this is square here, this will be here. Half into half gives you 1. 3 power 1 means 3. A square is equal to 1 you are getting. So any irrational number, when square it, you get a without root. So it is, this sign is called radical sign, and radical sign have the without any number means it is a square. When it is written 3, it means it is a cube root. Cube root 64. It is a fourth root of 16. Fourth root means fourth root of 16. 4 is written very small in the equal sign like this, tick sign. So if the 4 written like this, it is not equal, because this means 4 into root 16 and this means fourth root of 16. Here One example I am solving. Cube root of 64. 64 factors 4 into 4 into 4. You can write 4 power 3. You can write 2 power 6 also. But 4 power 3 I am writing because cube root is there. Cube root change into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. Your answer will be 4. 3 and 3 cancel. What is your answer? 4. Now, any two positive number, if you do some formula, any two positive number A and B, which is real, then there is a some formula like exponent, bases are equal, then you can write powers same. So here if square root is same root there, root A into B will be A, root A into root B. For example, root 2 into 3 you can write under root 2 into under root 3. In the division, root A divided by root B, you can write under root A by B. Example, root 6 divided by root 2 is equal to root 6 upon 2. 2 3 is 6. What is your answer? Root 3. Another, A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B, A minus B will be A square, third identity. So, root A plus root B, root A minus root B is equal to root A square minus root B square. And in the, here you know, square of number you are getting without root or not. So, same thing here, root A square is A, root B square is B. Another example in the A plus B whole square. What is the A plus B whole square? Identity A square plus B square plus 2AB. Root A plus root B whole square will be root A square means A, root B square means B plus 2 into root A into root B. You can write together. Similarly, negative formula. And for example, 5 plus root 7 whole square, what will you get? 5 square plus root 7 square plus 2 into 5 into root 7. 5 5 is 25, root 7 square is 7 plus 10 root 7. Now it is a rational and rational will be simplified. 25 plus 7 will be what? 32. But here 10 is not the alone. It has a number root 7. That's why 10 root 7 is a irrational number. So you can't add with 32. Your final answer is this. Your final answer is this, 32 plus 10 root 7. Similarly, another example, root 3, we both have root. So here whole square minus 2ab. 3 plus 2, roots are reduced by square. You get 3 plus 2, 5. But 5 minus 2 will be not there. Because it is a together number. Irrational, it is irrational. So final answer. Another example you will see, what is a plus b, a minus b. What are you getting? A plus b, a minus b gives you a square minus b square. Root 5 square minus root 3 square. What is the root 5? 5, root 3, 3. So 5 minus 3, 2. Same thing. With the help of these formulas, you get a rationalizing. Rationalizing means if the denominator is 1 by root 3 is given. You want to rationalize this root 3 into rational number. Any fraction, numerator among denominator, you want the denominator as a rational. If you want the denominator as a rational, so you will think how it will change into rational. There is a rule, if the same number will be square. So this is called fraction rule. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So by this RF, you multiply numerator and denominator for balancing the fraction. 1 root 3 into root 3 is root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, and you are getting a denominator as a rational number. Here single term was given. But when the denominator is 2 terms, like another example you will see. If the denominator has 2 terms, 7 upon 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. So what is the RF? RF means rationalizing factor. You want the root 3 reduced into a rational number. So there must be a plus b and a minus b. So opposite sign of this will be the RF. Multiply this numerator and denominator by this. You get 7 into 2 minus root 3. And denominator a square minus b square. What is your answer? 7 and it is bracket 4 minus 3, 1. So 7 into 2 minus root 3, open the bracket, your final answer is this. In this denominator is 1, so it is a rational number. Like this, another example you will see. If the example is given 3 root 2 upon root 5 minus root 3. Here again the RF of this will be opposite sign, that we have written here RF root 5 plus root 3. By this RF you multiply, what will you get here? A square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So root 3 minus root 3. Why both multiplied? Because of balancing the equivalent fraction you want. Otherwise it will be wrong. So 3 root 2 into root 5 plus root 3, root 5 square minus root 3 square. Getting 5 minus 3. 3 root 2 multiply by these numbers in the bracket. When you open denominator you are getting 2 rational. It is your answer. Or you open it. So 3, 5 2 ja 10. 3 root 10. 3 in outside and 3 here. You are getting 3 and 3 2 ja 6. 3 root 10 plus 3 root 6 upon 2. Now you will get, it is your final answer. Another example you will get here. Many examples I am giving which help you to solve the exercise 1.5. Suppose a question is given, denominator has some factor here, 5 into root 3, 7 upon this. So what is the RF of this? First of all you decide the RF. RF will be negative sign. If negative then positive sign, if positive then negative. Apply this formula, what will be the result here? A square minus b square. So this you keep in your mind. Multiply numerator and denominator by RF. You get a number 7, 3 minus 5 root 2 upon 3 square minus 5 root 2 square. What will be the square of this number? It is the problem. So 9 is here, 3 square minus 5 is not in under root. So 5 5 is 25, root 2 square is 2. 25 to the 50. So 9 minus 50 gives you minus 41. Now this minus sign you want to numerator, you could write the numerator. And this minus will be multiply inside, you can get the minus sign, minus 7. So minus will go inside, then here positive. 5 root 2 will be positive first place and 3 will be negative at the last place. 7 outside. But when you want to 7 also inside, so 7 5 is 35 root 2 minus 7 3 is 21 upon 41. It is your answer, it is your answer, it is your 3 and any one you write. Try to write last one, otherwise this is also correct. With the help of this, you can solve the exercise 1.5. 1.5 exercise, there is a first question given. In the first question, you are getting 4 parts. 2 minus root 5 is a rational or irrational. So it is irrational because root 5 is present. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 is a rational or irrational. So these two will be cancelled because of like root. So it is a rational. Third part is given 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. So root 7 again like short, so it will be cancelled. What is your answer? 2 by 7, which is rational. Fourth question is given 1 upon root 2 because root 2 is irrational. So it is also irrational. Any one out of these two will be irrational, so it is irrational. Last part of the question number 1 is given 2 pi. Pi is irrational, so product of pi will be with the rational is also irrational. Question number 2, totally 4 parts given, totally based on the identities which I have told you. 4 parts. totally based on the identities which I have told you in the beginning. Beginning means you have seen these are the identities. Here you see this a plus b, a minus b. I have told a plus b whole square. So like this it is a given question number 2. So all the parts you will try. Easily you can get a plus b, a minus b whole squares. So exactly same given, 2 brackets 2. Third question is based on pi. In this question given pi is a ratio of circumference upon diameter and it is taken as a irrational number. So it is not a contradiction, it is a exactly irrational, because approximate value of the this any measurement you will take, we will not get it is a exact value, it is values are not correct. So C by D you get as a irrational number. Theoretical, very simple. Fourth question you can't do. Fourth question, root under root 9.3 you represent on the number line. This I will tell like this. I will tell you in the next video. How will you locate square root with decimal on the number line? Without decimal I have told you. Without decimal I have told you how will you locate, but with decimal, fourth question you will see in the next video. Question number 4. But question number 5 easily you can do. What is rationalizing the denominator? I hope it is clear. Exercise 1.5 of class 9th book. Question number 5, you will solve by the denominator rationalization which I have told you just now here, RF. And I hope easily you can do, very simple. You will try yourself. It is not that you copy. You see the solutions, examples which I have given, and with the help of this you solve the exercise 1.5 fifth and the second question. I hope it is clear. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.